on a beautiful hike right before fishing here. That's where we'll be going. Take one. All right, guys, we're out here. Walmart parking lot. Just changed my alternator. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. But now it's home free, baby, home free. Let's go. What is up, YouTube? That's what I meant. See? You can see with all the mudding I do. Brand new alternator, baby. Had to do that in a Walmart parking lot last night. But today's a new day. And life happens. So today we are at Richard Bong State Park. And we're about to head out with the boys.
Hello. Hello.
To do some predator fishing. Let's go. Alrighty, guys, we are here. Vern Wolf Lake. We're out here with the boys. It's a little windy today, but we'll figure all that out when we get out there. Got both kayaks, fishing rods. Let's see what we can do. We got the kayaks loaded up right there. Now we have to leave them and take the drive down the road so we can park the truck and then walk back so we can get on the water.
Ropey.
Here we go. The maiden voyage. All ready?
Give me a second. Just back. Okay, I'm ready.
I'm scared. Dad, don't push me that fast, okay?
Jonah, I can't. I'm getting on the same thing as you. What is up, YouTube? Out here with my two little guys. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try. He decided to sit in the back there. You having fun back there, John?
Yep.
He says he's comfy. What we're gonna try to do is we're gonna actually kayak to the end of the lake where the wind's blowing from, and we're gonna do the best we can to let the wind carry us back. I'm gonna start with Topwaters, and then from there, we just had a little collision. Gonna start with Topwaters, and then from there, we're gonna probably just let the wind take us back and cast spinnerbaits and power fish. So we're gonna try that.
Whoa.
Careful, John. Careful. Do not try to tip him. Jonah, be careful. And stay tuned, guys. Yeah, let's go. All right, guys, we're trying to make it to the end of the lake here. Got my little guy right behind me and my other little guy behind me as well. I only have half a paddle because I, for some reason, only brought half a paddle. So first time out with both kayaks this year, so bound to forget something. And better a paddle than a life vest. So we're gonna try to make it to the end of the lake, do some Topwater over there, and then work a spinnerbait on our way back, trying to get some pike today. So stay tuned. We got a little bit out of the wind here, but it is a windy day. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Gotcha. Whoa. Fish just jumped right here in front of us, guys, and it looked to me like it was a carp. Got one. Oh. Yep. We got him. We got him, guys. Woo! Woo! Yeah, baby. Oh my God. Jeez, we're soaking wet. You got that. Do not drop that, Jonah. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Talk about a new frogging hobby. This is amazing. My second time frogging here, and literally less than an hour actually throwing my frog on this lake, and I've had 3 opportunities and 2 fish. It's been pretty amazing.
Wait, what kind of fish is that?
This is a northern pike.
That's a northern pike?
Yeah.
Wow.
It has teeth.
Yeah, they do have teeth.
Yeah, they got teeth.
I'm scared.
Show Jonah with it.
I'd say that's like about a 1.5 feet long.
Look at that thing close to me. It has a giant teeth.
Can you see this? All right, back this way. So, I'm gonna go in here. Just go zoom in, Laisha. You know how to do it. Gonna go in here with the hooks. Grab the 2 back hooks. Just pull simply out like that. Just like that. Another frogging pike here. Richard Bong, State Park. Out here with my 2 boys today. And look at the size of this pike, guys. What a beautiful lake. It's like I fish for pike, I catch them here. Say cheese, guys.
Cheese.
Can you turn around, John? Look at that, guys. Beautiful pike here. Wisconsin fishing at its finest. No, it's a painted turtle. All right, guys, well, it seems like we are done. We kayaked the whole lake. Got here on just half a paddle too, by the way, because I left the other half. But we're gonna let the wind / kayak back. This little man's gonna guide us. Here we are, guys. We're making our way back. We got whitecaps out here. Big waves coming at us, but we're having some fun, right, Laisha? Fun. A little scary, big waves, but we're having fun. Making our way back. Let's do it. We're going back, guys, but boy, do we have some wind. The wind shifted on us. We were hoping for it to blow us back. Instead, it seems like we're fighting against it to get back. Insane, but part of nature always. Big waves. At least 1-footers, sometimes 1.5ers when it starts to gust. But it's warm outside. We're having fun. Let's. Water is a little cold, but it's warm outside. We're gonna get through this, guys. We still have only it's a 150-acre lake. We still have about 60 acres. We'll get there. Those splitters over there. Oh boy, here we go. Boom, boom. Careful.
Oh my goodness! I'm going crazy right now! Woo.
Yeah, we need to get through this one. It's just one pocket.
I'm terrified. We're going up and down, baby. Oh yeah.
Normally people do not kayak in this. This weather typically. That's why we're the only ones out here.
Oh yeah. We're swallowing the waves.
All right, guys, here we are on the beach. The beach. It doesn't matter how windy it is. The weather is still mild, guys. So we are out here. We are enjoying the beautiful day, making the most of every day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Geofishing exclusive. Peace. Go in as close as to the red boats as you can. That one's taking us now. Woo. That was some wind.
Yeah, we would have done this 20 minutes later.